Good morning, fellow traders, and welcome to Trade of the Day with Rob again on this fine Tuesday, the 24th of December, better known as Christmas Eve. For those who support Christmas, Merry Christmas, and Happy Hanukkah to those who do that. But let me say this, for those who don't support it, enjoy the holiday, enjoy the trading when it comes back. But at the moment, things are going to be pretty quiet, because most of the world bases their trading on the US. So, what we got here today, what are we looking at? Well, yesterday I said I wasn't going to trade this week because there's not much happening in this week. And guess what? I traded less yesterday. I went long on the FTSE and I went short on the Nikkei, and both trades played out. So that worked out quite nicely for the day. That was a goodie. The FTSE took a small profit, and the Nikkei, I say I never scalp, but I literally scalped yesterday. I literally took a small profit off of both trades just for the hell of it, just to keep myself busy, just to enjoy the day. But I'm not holding any trades this week, not taking any decent swing trades this week because, like I say, I mean, today is a half day but from most brokers around the world, so you're not going to get much as far as that goes. And then we'll probably open properly again on Friday. But even then, nobody's back. It's very low volume. It's going to be retail traders. So you're not going to see much until the 2nd of January, effectively. So there's really not much point to it. But, you know, it's good practice, and it's good for you to get involved and to practice your trading for the day. So let's go through the trades, and we'll get to trade of the day. So we'll start with the FTSE. The FTSE is still going long. It looks like it wants to carry a bounce up here. Maybe take some money at this level here. I see there is a bit of a level further up where there's a supply of money that you might want to take and then go short. So the risk to reward's not that great, but you know, if you want a quick trade, that's it. Just remember, you've only got half a day. You don't really want to be leaving your trades in over a weekend or over a holiday. Then what you've got here, US 500 has given this dead cat bounce. I think it's probably going to sort of give up here and start turning around and probably fall back. Look, just bear in mind that when the institutions come back into the trading day, this is probably going to take a bit of a knock in January, but we'll see. We'll see how that goes. Reality will set in. Reality will come back. Then you got the Dow Jones doing something similar to the S&P. But what I'm seeing is this heavy trend resistance along here. It's hitting resistance. Good chance it's going to go down from there. The Nikkei is still short. It's taken that money, and it looks like it wants to continue on down. Probably come and fetch some money a bit lower down. The Nasdaq is a powerful bullish index, but it broke structure last week with this long red bar. It's on the downside. It may be correcting. I'm hoping for a correction down to the 20,000 levels for the new year. Then we can start getting back in again. The DAX is correcting off of that. Trend resistance should come all the way back down to the trend support. France 40 looks long. It's bullish out of this support level. So you've got this green bar, you've got this bullish run, but just be careful of this heavy trend resistance holding you back over here. Then we've got SA Top 40. It's come through into the support. It's trying to hold support. There's a double bottom here. It's trying to go back up, but there is a good chance that this could break to the downside and fall all the way to the main support down here. VIX, we're waiting for 15 again. The shares are doing well as usual. I see Nvidia is doing quite well again. Gold is playing around in this range. It's also creating a double bottom here, and it's creating a double top here. It's widening in its range a little bit here, but long for now. Looks a little bit long. Looks like it wants to go up a little bit, but overall looks like it wants to go short. Looks like a short trade. Trade of the day today is Brent crude oil short. What we're looking at is it's run into this resistance. Perhaps we'll get a short run down this way in structure and on the 4 hour, and that'll give us a nice short all the way back down to the 71s. If you want a more vast trade, maybe put the stop at 73.5, the take profit at 70 if you want a bigger trade and you're going to hold it over the holidays. I never recommend holding if you can help it, but if you do want to trade in, if you are looking for a trade, why not? This is not too bad. It looks all right. It doesn't look too bad at all. Just bear in mind, guys, half day. Also remember, trading is risky. Most traders lose money, and if you don't like losing money and you don't like risk, you most probably shouldn't be trading. Anyway, so here we are. This is the Dixie going up as usual, still in a strong bull run. So if the Dixie's strong, the Euro US dollar is probably going down to parity. It's looking to come down. It's looking to head on to the downside. And with the way things are looking next year, I expect it'll probably get that. But the way it stands at the moment, broken through support, come back up to retest, looks like it wants to continue on to the downside. Great British Pound, similar story, almost a copy. And look at that head and shoulders that had developed up there. That shoulder only plays out down here in the 124 levels, so you could get a really good short out of the Great British Pound US dollar. The US dollar Japanese yen is trying to break through the resistance, but it looks like it wants to fall back down again. That said, it's in a bullish structure. It's still in structure. You can't take a short just yet. You've got to wait for it to come out of this resistance, give you a confirmation candle, then you can start looking at shorts, because otherwise it's going to break to the upside, give you a long confirmation, and you're going to go long. The Euro Japanese yen is also still long. It's in structure. It's taking money, and it's gonna head up onto this resistance. That said, the US dollar ZAR also very long, and it's busting through that resistance as well. If it busts through, that's going to go all the way up, and that's going to be a mean one. Other than that, I think it will come down, most likely come and take this demand of money here before going back up again. So a bit of a run down to here and then back up again. See here, should come back in here and then head on up. Okay, so that's my US dollar ZAR call. Euro Great British Pound. Euro Great British Pound does kind of look ominous. Looks like it wants to sell and carry on this very sort of not steep, very shallow sort of bearish trend. The US dollar Canadian dollar still bullish, hasn't changed, remains bullish. It's come down, tested, taken some of this demand money, and it's gone back up again. Seems to have corrected a bit slow. There is a trend that it needs to stay in. So we could see it come back down, perhaps in the new year, grab some point here, some money here, and then head on back up to the top. Aussie dollar, US dollar, still short. Has been short for a while, creating this sort of pennant level here. It should resolve to the downside. Great British Pound, Japanese yen, also looking long. Looks like it's come down. Looks like it wants to go back up and test that resistance again. Bitcoin is short at the moment. It has broken to the downside. There isn't much holding it up except this level here at the 88. Once it breaks through that 88, it looks like it could fall all the way down to 72.5. So, short for now. Looks like everybody got their 100,000. They were happy with that. Now they're all taking profits for Christmas. And we'll look again in January at what they do with Bitcoin. So today's trade of the day is Brent crude short. We're looking for a short trade. As I said to you guys, it's a short day today. It's a half day today. There won't be a members video tomorrow morning because guess what? Tomorrow morning is Christmas Day. So everything's closed. No point in having an open trading day there, no. So take the day off. Enjoy your day. Have a wonderful holiday. Do enjoy your Christmas if you support Christmas and you do Christmas. And I'll see you back after Christmas. And then we'll carry on with our trading journey, and let's see how next year goes. We still have to go through New Year as well, and that'll be fun. But in the new year, we're going to do some mega trading. It's been a fantastic trading year this year, an interesting trading year. Let's see what next year brings us. And well, I'll see you after Christmas. We'll talk about it a bit further. There will be a video on Friday. No live show today, and no live show this Thursday either. We'll start live again on the 2nd of January. It is a holiday period. It is a holiday time. Things are quiet at the moment. The entire market's quiet. Everything's quiet. So we'll go with the quietness and we'll take a bit of a break and we'll enjoy it. So guys, have a wonderful trading day. Have a wonderful Christmas Eve. See you after Christmas. Have a good one. Cheers. Ciao and bye.